Hi, this is Paul from Miras, and in this video I'm going to show how to use some of SOLV's built-in harmonic simulation reports. So when using SOLV and you've completed your simulation and you've selected Run Simulation and it's calculated the results, there's two tabs at the top where one is Reports, where we have a variety of reports that can be shown. And the second tab here is Generate PDF. And under Generate PDF, Simulation Summary Report, this is the most common report that that most people would want to use and print out a PDF of to present to the customer. This Simulation Summary Report here is a combination of a few of these reports that are shown. It is a good overview of your system. So before I click that, I'm just going to run through some of the different reports we have. The first one is Simulation Summary Report. When we select that, this provides you with an overview of the different components along the system, your source data, your utility, your transformer, and each of the point of common couplings, as well as at the distribution panel. We're going to see results such as your voltage and current distortion, the total current, the total harmonic amps, short circuit ratio, etc. at each of those points. So this is a basic overview. This report is built into the Simulation Summary Report as well that you can use. Secondly, we have a tab for IEEE Standard 519 Compliance Report. When we look at this report, we're showing a few things here. We're showing the compliance at both the PCC2 on the line diagram and PCC1 on the line diagram. Depending on your definition of where your point of common coupling is at your facility, you may use either PCC2, in this case it was at the 13 kV side of the user transformer, or you may look at PCC1 at the low voltage side of the transformer. We provide both. You can use both as well. It's a good recommendation to pass at both of these positions anyway. The one thing we can notice is that we present limits at the previous standard 1992 as well as the 2014 standards. 1992 is based on voltage distortion for 1992 had some changes compared to 2014. The voltage distortion was relaxed in 2014 for up to 8% in most of the cases here. And some of the specialty cases for 5% requirement or 3% requirement were removed. Current distortion, those values are going to be the same from 92 to 2014. Here we're showing both. You can reference just 2014 if you like. And what we're showing is the VTHD, the ITHD, and the various individual harmonic limits as well. So I'm going to select back out of that. The next report we have IEEE 61003-12. This report is more of an equipment report requirement where for loads between 16 and 75 amps. This standard, we're applying it as best we can to the point of common coupling, but you can put a single load in here and run and check that you comply to the standard. It has different limits based on your individual harmonics, based on your short circuit ratio, and the total THD limit as well. EN 50160 is a system voltage report where it's showing the compliance for the system. We're showing it at both PCC1 and PCC2 depending on where you want to see this compliance to. And you can see in this case we're passing across the board. There's limits from 2 to 40th harmonic in this standard. It allows you to optionally increase that to 2 to 50. So we show both calculations, whether you want to just go with the basic 2 to 40th order or 2 to 50th. And then each individual harmonic has its own limits for voltage. And we can see the limit here. For example, third harmonic has a 5% limit, fifth is 6, and so the even order harmonics have lower limits, and we can show pass-fail here. The next report we have is GBT 14549 compliance. This report is a Chinese standard based on some of the British standards. We have point of common coupling 1 and point of common coupling 2, where we also show in this standard we're mostly meeting the harmonic amp requirements as well as the total voltage distortion in voltage. You can see the harmonic current is calculated here rather than a percentage. It's based on harmonic amps. The next report we have is another IEEE standard 519 compliance table. This is the same report, different formatting. Most of the time we use the first one, but this can show in a different layout. We also have a harmonic distortion report at PCC1 and a telephone interference report. When we go to the main report we're going to use is Generate PDF Simulation Summary Report. When I click that, it's going to generate a PDF of the combined results here. So the first page of this report is the simulation summary report that we had first. When we scroll down, now we're going to show the SOLV line diagram, which is built in, so it's printed out. We can see that clearly in the report. We show the wave shape and spectrums at the PCC2, the wave shapes and spectrums at PCC1. This report outputs the IEEE Standard 519 compliance report, and it includes the individual harmonic results at PCC2, along with the voltage, current, all in percent and RMS values, as well as the phase angle of each harmonic order for both PCC2 and for PCC1. So this is the common report that we normally recommend to output and can be provided to customers. Please feel free to message us or let us know if you'd like any other reports added. Happy to add some more to our results, and good luck, and let us know if you need any help with it. Thank you.